Davao del Norte will be rocking this weekend when the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair hits the province for some major outpouring of love from the national government. All concerned agencies such as the Departments of Agriculture, Health and Social Welfare and Development and local governments, among others, have had their coordinations in place and are good to go for Friday's big event. Our Melales Moras has more.
Upon entering Davao del Norte, banners of various government programs to be launched in the province are visibly clear and waving in the air. This is part of the information drive of the authorities for the awareness of the residents and their participation in these initiatives. Among the programs the administration will bring to the province are the Presidential Assistance to Farmers, Fisherfolk and Families or PAF, Lingap at Alagang Bayan, Laboratorio, Konsulta at Gamot para sa Lahat or Lab for All, and the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. will lead the launching of the PAF tomorrow, which will definitely benefit not only Davao del Norte but the entire Davao region. Meanwhile, as for the Lab for All program, it has already begun providing services in the past few days. However, this Saturday, First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, who's behind this health program, will personally visit its implementation. While on Friday, House Speaker Martin Romualdez will spearhead the launching of the BPSF Caravan here in Davao del Norte, where more than 200 services and programs from various government agencies will be offered. In a press conference earlier, the organizers shared what's in store in the coming days.
The President will be extending assistance to all provinces of Davao region. So yung Davao Oriental and Davao de Oro will be attending the PAC in Davao del Norte so that they can receive also the assistance for their farmers and the families in Davao de Oro and Davao Oriental. The President also will visit Digos Davao del Sur tomorrow as well para maibigay naman ang tulong for Davao del Sur and Davao Occidental. So, if you try to look at it in one day, na-cover ng Pangulo yung buong region. While the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair will be stationed in Davao del Norte, but definitely it will be open to the other provinces, those who wish to come here to avail of the services.
For the BPSF, here are the following services and programs the people can avail from agriculture sector, livelihood programs, to other government services. For their part, local chief executives can thank the national government enough for these numerous services and giveaways their constituencies are about to receive.
Naging public official na po ako, 1988. And so far, this coming Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair, ito yung pinakamalaki na service caravan that involves national offices. And because of this, in behalf of the City Government of Tagum, ipaabot namin yung malaking pasalamat kay Presidente Bongbong Marcos, sa First Lady, kay Speaker of the House, Martin Romualdez, sa mga ayuda, mga proyekto na binuhos dito sa Tagum City.
We are excited here in the province. Preparations have been ongoing since the past days, past weeks, past months. Kita niyo po, if after this, makita niyo yung mga preparations namin. We are very proud at the same time sa government facilities po namin dito. So, you will be expecting na hindi lang kay ito yung pinakamalaki, but ano po, ito po yung tawag natin pinaka-comfortable, ibang level din na Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair, and lahat po uuwi po na may ngiti.
Melales Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.